Hello students. Which vitamin can be synthesized in our body in presence of sunlight? Yes, it is vitamin D. Which mineral do we get in seafood like sea fish, seaweeds? Yes, we get iodine. Name the vitamin present in yellow fruits and vegetables. It is vitamin E. The vitamin present in citrus fruits? Yes, vitamin C. So, the other day we discussed about sources of nutrients. A person eats rice, boiled potato with butter or ghee. It is stomach filling and he likes it very much. So, he takes this twice to thrice in a day. But is it right to do? No. So what is wrong with it? Because if he takes only rice, potato and butter and ghee, it provides him some of the nutrients, not all. Right? So the food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. So right now which I have told about, the person eats only energy giving food like fats and carbohydrates. The other nutrients will not be there in his diet. So he may suffer from deficiency diseases. So while we make a diet of a person, we must think over certain factors. A diet of a 2-year-old boy differs from diet of a 12-year-old boy. That means the factors which we should think over while we make a diet for a person is age, occupation and special conditions. Age, right now I have discussed about. Occupation means the type of work a person does. A person sits in a place and works, and a person works in the field. So the person who works in the field requires more energy-rich food. Special conditions like the patients. The patients are given glucose solutions at times. Glucose provides them energy and it is readily absorbed by the body. So instant energy giving food, glucose is called an instant energy giving food. So they are given that because at that time the body requires energy and body is unable to digest the normal food which we take. So in special conditions, a special type of diet which is given to a person. Right? So what type of food should we take? Pulses, groundnuts, soybeans, sprouted seeds, fermented foods, a combination of different flours like banana, spinach, jaggery, available vegetables and other such foods provide many nutrients. Therefore, one can eat a balanced diet without expensive food materials. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly so that its nutrients are not lost. There are some cooking practices due to which the nutrients are lost. So, the wrong cooking practices are repeated washing of rice and pulses, which may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. Deep peeling of the vegetables and fruits. Deep frying. These all are wrong cooking practices. So, we know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amounts of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and is then thrown away. So this is also a wrong cooking practice that fats give us energy. In fact, fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. So if one eats nothing but food rich in fats, fried food like samosa and puri, malai, rabri and peda or different kinds of sweets. So do you think he is right? No, of course not. it can be very harmful for us to eat too much of fat-rich foods, and we may end up suffering from a condition called obesity, or we become fat, and that may lead to many other diseases like heart diseases, blood pressure. So to sum up, today we have learnt balanced diet and some wrong cooking practices, and also obesity. Thank you, students.